Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the parts and workspace. Put replacements, a cloth, brush, and 70% isopropyl within reach. Power off or disconnect your device so nothing interferes. Once ready, hold the AirPod stem in one hand and the silicone tip at the base with the other. Twist gently while pulling away from the housing to detach. This method avoids tearing the tip and prevents debris from entering the speaker port, so make sure you feel the release and keep the old tip for inspection. Once the old tip is off, inspect and clean the speaker mesh. Use a dry brush and a slightly dampened cloth. Never pour liquid into the mesh to remove wax or lint. Make sure the nozzle is dry, then align the replacement tip's mounting ring with the AirPod nozzle and press straight on until you hear or feel a click. This ensures a secure seal. After fitting, tug gently to confirm attachment. If you don't get a snug seal, try the next size down for proper noise isolation and fit. Finish by testing audio. Play tracks and toggle noise control or transparency modes to verify the seal and balance between left and right. If sound is muffled or bass weak, remove and reseat the tip, try a different size, and recheck the mesh for debris. Small blockages cause big changes in sound. Once done, make sure Bluetooth settings show both AirPods connected. If problems persist, reset the AirPods, and if still unresolved, contact support or consider ordering official replacement tips or a professional repair.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.